Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna. Hare
After a very
Krishna.
long time, we are seeing
Hare
you.
Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna.
Yeah, I thought you will chant nicely. Take care.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Hare Hare.
Om Jnanatimirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshomilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swaminiti Namine. Namaste Saraswati Devi Gauravani Pacharine. Nirvishesha Shurnavadi Pashad Deshatarine. Jayo Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasati Gaura Bhaktivinoda. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, everybody. Akarnyatma jam. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Chalo, we can chant the shloka. Akarnyatma jam ayantam. Samparetya yatha gatam. Rajana shaddadhe bhadram. Abhadrasya kuto mama. 10 minutes we will do some Shavadam. When the king Uttanapada heard that his son Dhruva was coming back home, as if coming back to life after death, he could not put his faith in this message, for he was doubtful of how it could happen. He considered himself the most wretched, and therefore he thought that it was not possible for him to retain such a good fortune. Now he had faith in the words of Narada, so that was okay, it will happen because he said it, but he felt he is so sinful because what he did, same way, when Krishna comes in front of you, you're in the same position. You'll not be able to believe that Krishna has come. I'm so sinful. I don't do my devotion service properly. I don't chant properly. I do so many offenses. I can't show my face to Krishna. Not that, boom, I'm there. That's not devotee's attitude. He feels so humble, so unqualified. Therefore, the mercy of Krishna is called causeless mercy. The mercy is causeless. The very word mercy was amplified. Causeless mercy. Krishna is extremely kind to us, even though we are not qualified to serve him. So even though it was possible the lost son was coming back from the kingdom of death, he thought that since he was most sinful, it was not possible for him to have such a good fortune to get back his lost son. But always a devotee should have a humble attitude like that. When Krishna gives a comfortable position, we should always feel, Krishna, I'm not qualified. I'm so sinful. I don't know why. Generally, people feel in a different way. When they feel some success, they feel credit. Yes, I'm special. They take the credit. And once a difficulty comes, they don't accept it. They say, why, Krishna, you're doing this to me? I'm such a nice person, isn't it? But that's not an attitude. Please learn. We have to learn this attitude that actually my condition is like, no way I deserve this good fortune. But I don't know why Krishna is so kind with me. Beautiful. So we can emulate, take home this attitude. I'm chanting Hare Krishna, I'm feeling so sweet, as if Rasgulla is in my mouth, so sweet. Krishna, I don't know why you are so kind to me. Actually, I'm not worthy of all that. And if there is any difficulty, yes, actually I deserve much more. Krishna is giving very little. When Haridas Thakur was being caned in the marketplaces one after another, the head person who was a Muslim had ordered, beat him so much he dies with cane. And Haridas Thakur was constantly chanting the name of Krishna. And he was praying, my Lord, they don't know what they are doing. So, don't punish them. Actually, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu became conscious of this. He's a Paramatma, wanted to take a Sudarshan, I cut the head of the people. But he's saying, no, my Lord, I deserve more. I'm so sinful. So whenever any difficulty comes, there should be the attitude, I deserve much, much more. But the Lord is so kind to me. So I don't deserve all this. I don't know why is Krishna so kind to me. This is actually the attitude which we should develop. I don't know why Krishna is so kind. I don't deserve all this comfortable position. I have good health, I have nice vision, I can see things. People give me so much honor, but Krishna, I don't deserve this. I'm so sinful actually. And when there is a difficulty, what do we feel? No, I deserve much more punishment. There's nothing actually. In fact, it is said in the Brahma Samhita, karmani nirdhati kintu jabhakti bhajam yastu indra gopa mathavendra ahosa karma bandhan rupa phala bhajan noti karmani nirdhati kintu jabhakti bhajam govindamadi purusham tamaham bhajami. So what is it? Karmani nirdhati. That right from Indra. Indra Gopa is a small insect to Indra. You take these two practically across the species now. One is the king of the Devatas. Another is a small insect. Now from top to below, everybody is trapped by the karmas, being whipped by the karmas, has no control, and he has to accept his karmas, good or bad. Yastru Indra Gopa Matavendra Hosa Karma Bandhanu Rupa Phalabhajanamatanoti Karmani Nirdahati. Karmani Nirdahati. All the karmas of devotees are actually destroyed, reduced. Bhakti Bhajam. Govindamati Purusham Tamam Bhajami. So as devotees, we should always know that when you begin devotion service to Krishna, a dam is put. What is put? Even when you begin chanting one round seriously, or even when you begin, say, reading Bhagavad Gita carefully every day. Even when you begin, just go in front of the deity and fall, my Lord, I am yours. Any way, any of the Navaveda Bhakti, anything you do, or even you get prasadam, with great respect, you take prasadam. You begin your devotion service. Now, Krishna is waiting for that. Just imagine, try to understand. You are the father or say mother. The child has been away from home for a long time and is totally rebellious. You can't even call him. He shouts. Can we talk to him? No. And he has blocked you on the mobile. Just imagine a situation. You try to call, he's not lifting. And you try to get his friend. Can you make him talk to her? No, he doesn't want to talk to you. Your heart is broken. But still, you're taking care of the child. You come to know anything he needs. You see, he goes to car showroom. You come to know. You spend money, send money, see, give, deliver in the car. He doesn't know. He doesn't know everything. Father, mother arranging it, doesn't know. I don't know. That's exactly our situation. Sun is standing in the sky, you need that. Krishna knows. Material world is dark. It needs light. It needs heat. You have moon. You have air to breathe. You have water. You need all the necessities. Krishna provides all the necessities. Not only that, Krishna provides an administration. The Brahma is there. All that arrangement. Universe is being managed. Everything is happening. All by the grace of the Lord. But you are not responding. You don't want to talk to the Lord. And he's invisible because you're so envious. You're so jealous. So many people say that, why don't I see God? But what did Danamas do when they saw Krishna? They attacked him. That's how we are. We'll attack him. We will not be able to see Krishna's opulence. We are hardly a devotee. Devotee means he is happy to see Lord's opulence. We get envious, jealous. Why? So many people have to come and take darshan. One person was telling me he was at Tirupati Hill on the top because somebody took him. He said he was feeling so jealous. Lakhs of people coming to just take a darshan. What is so special about it? That's what we are. We will not be able to see. Because you think the deities in the temple cannot move. Deities are fully alive. They can move, but they don't because we cannot handle. We'll pull off jealousy and envy. That's what we are. And even if we have little devotees, still we will disturb the Leela of the Lord like Indra and even Brahma. They disturbed the Leela of the Lord. Yamaraj, everybody, they could not participate. Instead, they started disturbing the Leela of the Lord. Yamaraj took the son away of his guru, Sandipani Muni. Why are you doing all that? This disturbance to the Lord Leela. He brought him back. Correct. Everybody. Like Varuna took his father, arrested his father. Kya kar rahe ho, bhai? Disturbing the Lord's Leela. So neither Devata, neither Danavas can handle the Lord's Leela. We are not ready. But when you make an attempt, Lord, I want to see you. What happens then? Krishna takes steps then. 100 steps. You take one step, he takes 100 steps. What to be done now? So that's what I tell you. Even Navavidha Bhakti, any anga of Navavidha Bhakti, Shravanam, Kirtanam, one you do with sincerity. Just like you give a call back home, Papa, I want to come back. Then you see all arrangement. You'll send a car to you, meet you. There'll be people, receiving you. He will send some more money to you, be comfortable. The same way, actually, Krishna keeps a devotee very comfortable. And if there are some sinful activities which are disturbing the devotional service, Krishna burns it away. Karma is not everything. Many people, karma is there. Karma can be burned by the Lord in 1 second. Ajamila, one Narayana call, he burned his karma. Karma can be burned by the Lord in a second. But because the Narayana call was the sincerity, with tears in his eyes, say, Narayana. So we can also chant once more Krishna properly. And then what happens when you do that? Karma, boom, burn, and a dam is put. Now your own karma are protected. They don't hit you because dam is there. And then now, sometimes Krishna feels, let me give me a little sample. He's becoming too relaxed. Like we go to the comfort zone. He's not serious. He's not chanting the Nama properly. He's just feeling as if he's going to live in this world forever. He doesn't know this all. So let me give him a surprise quest so he can assess himself and see that is actually he has to progress a lot. Just like a teacher, when he feels the students are not studying, what does they do? A surprise quest. And all get 0. So teacher tells, see, this is your condition when the final exam is coming. Now start preparing. Yes. So similarly, we get some surprise exams, some little difficulty in the life. For devotees, it reduces. Your head has to get cut. You'll get a small scratch. Okay, but then when you get a small scratch, you understand when the bandage is put, okay, life is temporary. Let me pack up and get ready to go back to spiritual world. So person becomes serious. But it always knows, Krishna, I deserve much more, but you're giving me so little. And when he gets some fortune, when he sees Krishna as being very kind to him, what does he think? Krishna, actually, I'm not qualified for all this. You're so kind. And when he gets difficulty, Krishna, I deserve much more, but you're so kind. And how the middle world people are? Reverse of that. When there is any difficulty, you're doing this to me? I'm such a great man. That's what everybody does. I'm such a nice man, and you're doing, why bad things happen to good people? Acha, what kind of, nobody's good in this world. Stop that rubbish statement. Bad thing happens to good. Everybody feels he is good, then he's in Maya. Just like Uttanapada, we have more sins in Uttanapada we have done. Uttanapada is a small thing. Much more sins we have done in our life then why you're feeling you're a good man? If the world was full of good people, then there is no problem. There is no wars. Everybody is sweet, smiling. But no, it's not like that. They're not good. We are not good. Therefore, people are suffering. Collectively, we have to see we are not good. Why people are suffering then? If everybody says, I'm good, and it was true, then everybody will be a happy place. It's not true. We are not good. But we have to become good. Correct? So we should have, so when we get any mercy of the Lord, any blessing of the Lord, either material or spiritual, Krishna, I'm not qualified, but you're so kind. So therefore, when the small boy, news came, small boy is coming, what is he feeling? Actually, I don't deserve all this. This is how we should feel, everything that get you. Any opulence you get in the life. Krishna, you're so kind to me, actually. I don't know why you're so kind. I just don't deserve this, Krishna. That is the attitude. Always thank you, Krishna. Whatever he has in his life, thank you, Krishna. And then reverse. When there is a difficulty, Krishna, I deserve much more. You're giving me very little only. It's my own karma. When the dam, sluice gates are put so the water releases. Similarly, your own karma has been put on a dam and stopped. Sometimes Krishna releases your own karma. He's not creating your karma. Your own karma releases little. So that to put you on a right track. Okay, thank you. I hope